So you were talking about subscriptions,
Uh-huh.
and I've heard about a new one called Ancestry Club 1890.
Oh, yeah, yes, Ancestry Club 1890. We haven't unveiled it officially yet. We have just been teasing
Okay.
it out. So we are looking at what really like white glove service experiences people might be interested in as it relates to their family history. One of the things is that there's kind of this gap in family history right now. You can either do it yourself with like very little direction, or you can have, you know, somebody do it for you. And is there something in the middle that's like a white glove level service that is, I'm going to help you do this? And so we've got some ideas. Right now we're just kind of teasing it out on the website to see who might be interested. And really whoever those founding members of that club are, they will help us develop that program.
Yeah, because it's just a waiting list.
It is right now just a mystery waiting list.
Okay, thank you. So if you're new to genealogy, what's your pro tip for just what should you not do?
Oh, what should you not do? That's a great question. I wasn't ready for that. You took a pivot there. What should you not do? What you should not do is be afraid. I think that there are some people who they get a little bit overwhelmed with all the possibility, and some people even are a little bit fearful about what they might discover. One of the things that I have learned after more than 2 decades now in this industry is that all families are messy. All families are messy in their own way, but all families are messy, and families have always been messy. Mm-hmm. And I think some of us are just so afraid of stepping into the mess, and for some of us that mess is like real trauma. And yet I think that there's so much healing and understanding and connection to be made. So for every bright, happy, shiny, lovely story that I tell, there are also stories of real trauma. People who abandoned their spouses and abusive relationships. And I think that it's been interesting as I've uncovered some of those things in my own family tree, how much of what my mother is and our relationship and what her mother was and their relationship, it has started to just make sense. And so I think there's people who hesitate to step into family history because they know they're going to have to deal with that. But I can promise you that if you are willing to wade through it, there is beautiful things on the other side of that.
Thank you.
Yeah.